there's a tunnel ahead of me. I guess let's get the action going. Just hear the exhaust note. This is Pune Bangalore highway. Okay, so my GoPro has been crashing a lot. I don't know what's wrong with this camera. Like, this camera costs 35,000 and still I am facing such issues which DJI Osmo or any other cheaper action camera doesn't have. But this silly costly machine, that guy was impressed with the exhaust note. This is probably the loudest Dominar I know, at least. I don't know any in Meerut, Pune, Mumbai, but this is like the loudest Dominar with the stock exhaust. Even the aftermarket exhaust doesn't have this good of an exhaust note, I'd say. So this bike produces 40 bhp and I believe 30-35 Newton meters of torque. Now, the reason for that is like there's a junction between the in the junction between the straight pipe and the exhaust, there's some kind of hole. I don't know what that is. Maybe some kind of accident happened or something. So that kind of hinders the airflow, and hence the bike produces more sound. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And I also feel like the bump in the acceleration by 10 or 15% at least as compared to the normal Dominar. So this is like the 2019 one, so this one definitely has more power as compared to the 2018 one. This one has like the double barrel exhaust, and like I really like the exhaust note of this one, man. This is like Symphony 2 years, but there's a catch actually. If you're going on a tour or something, then this is going to bug you. This is definitely going to bug you. If you are going on a long 4 or 5 hours tour, you will get tired of it in no time. For short rides like I'm on, not an issue. Perfect. So I guess I have to cross the road. Maybe it will be somewhere down here. Perfect for off-roading as well.
One's a compliment, two's a crowd, three's a party coming, move around like first rush when the school is out, when the booze is up, when the sun is down. Enjoy the ride, get some pillows in the Chevy. Slide a pile, lay low, hitting heavy. Take your time, let me know when you're ready. Couple months I've been messing with this steady. Open for plans tonight.
If I had to get another bike under 3 lakhs, I'll still not pick this one, even though I love this bike. I'll get, you can say, Apache RR 310. That bike is a f***ing beast. In terms of top end, I believe it can smoke the Dominar, but I'm not really sure. I haven't ridden it yet. That's just my assumption, because it has that racing bike, aerodynamic posture and all. Now, one more thing guys, this bike is loud and all, but it comes with a price of mileage. The mileage is slightly compromised. This bike is barely giving mileage of 25 or 26 max. On highway I can get like 27 or 28 now. If you ask where my 350 RS is, it's parked at home. I shifted to Pune, that's where my college is. I also have the Lonavala vlog incoming, so there was some kind of audio problem in that, so I'm still working on that. I hope you guys will like that. My GoPro has crashed like 3 or 4 times by now, like easily. I have to stop by just to keep it working, and that really works. GoPro needs to fix this. Even I'm using GoPro Hero 8, and even if you check the GoPro Hero 9, it still has the same problem. I don't know about the GoPro Hero 10. I mean, that's facing some heat issue, I feel. This bike is like perfect. It's like a park cruiser, I'd say. It's like perfect bike you can own. It's not like Royal Enfield, which will have like heavy weight and like lots of vibrations. I mean, it does have vibration, but it's nothing as compared to classic or standard, which is our normal touring bike. So this is Pune-Bangalore highway. Let's see how far I'll go. Just hear the exhaust note, guys. If this isn't symphony to ears, I don't know what is. Some tube rider. I don't know if you guys can even hear me right now because of this exhaust noise. So let's just anticipate that you can hear me. Also, one more thing, guys, like seeing the power of this bike, it can easily smoke any Harley in the town. I don't like Harleys, I'm sorry, except the Pan America and V-Rod. Okay, now we are coming to a good part. There's a tunnel ahead of me, so I guess let's get the action going. Let's downshift a little. New Kadras tunnel. This isn't the best budget bike under 3 lakhs. I don't know what else is. Okay, so the tunnel is about to end. I definitely heard like what? Oh man, this sunlight will kill me. So Kolewari. My destination is Bavlan side. Not exactly, but it's the route I have to take to get back home. So as I always said, like oh yeah, if you want to have this kind of fun on an electric vehicle, I don't think you can have that. Even if you can enjoy the speed, like the electric vehicles are quite powerful nowadays, 110, 90 easily. But the exhaust note, man, you will actually miss it. And we all know that electric vehicles are about to take over. That's a no-brainer. But let's see what they can implement. I guess we just have to settle for no sound thanks to the new protocols and stuff. I really enjoy riding here. Mountains and stuff. Maharashtra is a place where you want to be at least once on a bike ride. Car rides are also fun, but nothing like this bike ride bad. It's a fun on its own. But just bike riding is like the best thing I ever came across. Above 6 or 7,000 RPM, there's nothing. Just you, your bike, and feeling like that you are traveling between time and space. This exhaust note is so fucking loud. Sounds like a fucking sports bike, like a 1200, 300cc sports bike. I don't want to say this, but can I compare it to S2 in terms of sound? In terms of sound, I mean, that bike is a beast. Even in second gear, that bike can lift its front tire. It can do really easily. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to show you guys the beautiful roads, like the beautiful roads of Maharashtra, plain highway, and nothing but pure motovlog. No bullshit. Bike, exhaust note, and the view. That's all you are here for, and that's all what I will provide. No crap. But I really hope the sound doesn't get fucked. Otherwise, I am fucked. Alright guys, that's it from my side. Thank you so much. Have a great day. And by the way, if you like this video or any of my previous videos, then maybe consider subscribing to the channel and just do all those good stuff, you know, like, comment your thoughts as well. Yeah. What do you think about this bike? What type of content you would like to see? Let me know all that as well. It will help me bring more good stuff on the table. So yeah, Lonavala is 68. Maybe some other day. So yeah, thank you so much for your time. Have a great day.